Hey guys, this song's for my wife. It's called Fire and Rain. It's the first song that I sang that she heard me sing. She came up after the gig, she said, "Who knew?" And then we got married. Woke up yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Susanna plans me to put an end to you. I woke up this morning, I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh God, I've seen fire, I've seen rain, sunny days that I thought would never end, lonely times when I could not find one friend. Yes, but I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? Help me make a stand, 'cause I can't make it through one more day. Oh, my body's aching and my time is at hand, and I can't make it any other way. Oh God, I've seen fire, I've seen the rain, sunny days that I thought would never end, lonely times when I could not find one friend. Yes, but I always thought that I'd see you again. I was walking my mind to a weary time, back turned toward the sun. Lord knows when a cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone line, talking about things to come, sweet dreams of flying machines, pieces on the ground. Oh, well, I've seen fire, I've seen the rain, the sunny days that I thought could never end, lonely times when I could not find one friend. Yes, but I always thought that I'd see you again. You know, I always thought that I'd see you again. There's just a few things coming round this time. You know, I always thought that I'd see you at least one more time again. I thought I'd see you again. Like, share, subscribe, you guys. Give us a big thumbs up. Love you guys. Have a great day in the Lord. Amen. Look down upon me, Jesus. Bye.